Concealed in the murky shadows, a striated heron watches the water intently for fish. This bird has a secret weapon. The insect floating on the water's surface is not there by coincidence. It's a lure. The heron delicately places it into the water to attract small fish. As the current carries the lure out of position, the bird retrieves it and tries again. This is a rare and extraordinary example of tool use by birds. Missed it. Time to try a different lure. The heron grabs what looks to be a beetle from the nearby rocks and stealthily relocates along the river. Finally, success! Although striated herons are known to sometimes adopt this remarkable fishing technique, this was the first time that I've been lucky enough to witness it myself, despite encountering this species in Australia and Korea on numerous occasions. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe so that you can keep up to date with all the latest content from Epic Birds. I'll see you next time.